There is a reason you've always felt that there's something more. Something hidden behind the physical world your eyes can't see. A quiet knowing that reality is not just matter, but energy. That feeling comes from your third eye. The third eye is not a myth, not a fantasy. It is the inner portal between human perception and divine consciousness. It's the silent observer within you, the one that sees through illusion, through lies, through the masks that the world wears. It is called by many names: the ajna chakra, the seat of the soul, the eye of intuition, the eye of Horus, the gateway to the infinite, the pineal gland, etc. When it awakens, you no longer live life as a sleeping being reacting to circumstances. You become a conscious creator, a soul in human form who finally remembers their true nature. They never told you that the third eye is not something you open, it's something you remember. It was always awake since you were born as a baby. But as we grow up, society teaches us to close it. We are told to see only what's physical, logical, visible, and to ignore what the heart knows to be true. The third eye dims and shuts when you live in fear. It weakens when you overthink, when you chase validation, when you drown in noise. But it reawakens the moment you turn inwards, the moment you stop searching for answers outside and start listening to the whisper within. When your third eye begins to awaken, the world starts to shimmer differently. You feel energy, not just emotions, but frequencies. You notice how people's words carry vibration, how every thought leaves a ripple in the unseen. You begin to sense when something aligns with your soul and when it doesn't. Synchronicities multiply. The right people, the right numbers, the right messages appear effortlessly. Because now you are not just existing in the 3D, you are perceiving from the 5D. The third eye is the antenna of the soul. It connects you to your higher self, to divine intuition, to the universal mind. It is through this center that clairvoyance, lucid dreams, visions, and downloads of truth flow. It is not about seeing ghosts or spirits, it's about seeing the truth, seeing energy in its purest form. When the third eye is clouded, you live in lies, fear, confusion, and illusion, or in Maya, as the ancients called it. You think you're just a body, a name, a story. But when it clears, you realize you are the awareness behind it all. You are not the actor. You are the screen on which the movie of life is projected. To awaken this sacred eye, you must purify the temple of perception, your mind, your emotions, your body. Practice stillness. Meditate in silence, not to escape the world, but to see it clearly. Fast, not only from food, but from negativity, gossip, and fear. Choose thoughts that vibrate with love, gratitude, and presence. Because the third eye opens naturally when your vibration matches the truth. And yes, there are foods and practices that nourish this center: pure water, sunlight, clean air, herbs like holy basil and gotu kola, and moments of deep breath that bring oxygen to your soul. But the greatest activation happens through awareness, through remembering that you already are divine. When the third eye opens fully, you will notice dreams become prophetic. You will wake up between 2 and 4 a.m., the hour of spiritual communication. You may feel pressure between your brows or see light while meditating. Do not fear these signs. They are not symptoms of madness. They are the language of your higher consciousness trying to reach you. You will begin to see that everything around you is connected. that nothing is random, nothing is separate, nothing is meaningless. The people you meet, the lessons you face, the emotions you feel, they are all reflections in the mirror of your consciousness. You realize that the world outside is simply a projection of the world within. The third eye gives you sacred sight, not to escape reality, but to understand it from the eyes of the infinite. You begin to see energy in color, sound, and motion. You realize you are not walking through life, you are dreaming it awake. And when your third eye truly awakens, fear dissolves, because you finally remember death is not the end, time is not real, and love is the only constant vibration in the entire universe. The third eye doesn't just let you see the truth, it allows you to become the truth, to live in alignment with divine consciousness while still walking this earth. So no, awakening your third eye is not about becoming supernatural. It is about remembering that you already are. The moment you stop chasing visions and start embracing silence, the eye opens. And when it opens, everything changes. The illusions fade, the noise disappears, and only awareness remains. The eye that looks outward dreams. The eye that looks inward awakens.